Hello and welcome. So this is a very short video on how you could create an account with ANZO Capital. Okay. So most likely you guessed the link from probably one of us as sales managers. So they send you the link and you follow the link and it takes you to the landing page. Now, what you want to do is takes you very few minutes. You just fill in the required information there. So your name, your email address as your full name, your email address, your contact number, and you just create a password for your account, and then it takes you on to the next phase. So let's quickly just create a dummy account, right? Create a dummy account, and then we'll see through the process, the required things, the things you need to do, some of the things that are optionals that you might want to avoid, you might want to skip. So let's start. Let's use John Doe. So for instance, let's say we're creating an account and let's just call this account John Doe. Okay. So the email, let's just say John Doe at gmail.com. Okay, and then phone number, let's just call it 234-123-4567. Okay, and then a password, you could just type anything. Let's just call it John. Now you want to use a password you can remember. It's probably something good, strong as well. It has to be at least 6 to 8 characters long. So let's just do this and then do this. Okay, so you type the password and then you retype it, and then you just click on click on this checkbox and click submit. So once you do this, an email will be sent to you to the email you provided here. So what you're supposed to do is go and click on the verify email to verify that that email is actually yours. So quite straightforward. You put in your full name, your email address, phone number, no spaces. You type in the password, and then you also confirm the password, and then you click on the checkbox and submit. And once that's done, take you to this next page here. So what you're going to want to do here is just fill in the basic information. So if you're a man, you select Mr. If you're a lady, you select Mrs. You put in your date of birth. Let's just pick any date of birth here. So you pick a date, or you select your date of birth, obviously, and then you select. So if are you a US citizen? So most likely what you're going to be selected is no, because if you're in US, then you probably will not be able to trade because they have other providers there. And so then if there's promo code, you click that, but you could leave that blank. Trading platform, you select MT4 or MT5, the one you prefer. Account type, STP, or except you want ECN. And then leverage, you can select the leverage you want. Usually, let's just say 1:500. And then that's it. You can skip all this and come down here. The next important area is your resident address. So you select an address, right? So number 2, whatever, ABC Street, Abuja. Right? And then you select postal code. Postal code, you could just put 234. And then your states, you just put in the states, right? And then you're good to go, right? Now, what you do is you click on submit. So it takes you to in the page where it wants you to confirm the information you just typed in, and you look at it and everything is fine. So you click on I have reviewed this, so check that box and check this box and click on I have reviewed and agreed to the terms and conditions. You can go through the terms and condition, nothing hanky-panky there. And then you take you to the last page where you need to put in your proof of identification and proof of residence, so your KYC documentation. Now, there you can use your passport, your driver's license, your national ID. Voter's card would also count as national ID. National ID slips also count as national ID. So let's say you're using the national ID slip or the voter's card, you select that, you go browse your computer and select the document. So once you're uploading your document, make sure that the 4 edges, right? Make sure that the 4 edges of the ID is visible. Upload the front and back. So upload front and back of the document. Make sure that all the edges are visible. Make sure it's readable. And you can upload multiple files at the same time. So let's say this is the front and the back. You could just select 2 of them and upload it, right? You could also do the same thing here. Your proof of ID can also be the same as your proof of residence. doesn't have to be different as long as it's valid ID and it carries an address. You could also select the same ID, upload the same document, and once you're done, you click on upload. So now this is obviously a dummy, just for example purpose. I don't need to proceed with it. So you click on upload and you have that account created. So remember, you need to confirm your email address. So if you go to your email, you would see, and if you go to your email, you would see this email from ANZO Capital telling you to confirm your email. Once you've done that, obviously once you've uploaded your document, if the document is approved, so if everything is clear, within 5 to 30 minutes, your account will be activated. Actually, within 5 to 15 minutes, your account will be activated and you can begin to trade. Now, if you log into your account, once you're active, you can open a live MT4, a live MT5 account. You can open a live demo account. You can fund your account. You would see all the dialog box there. So that's how you create an account. Quick and simple, within 10, 15 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, you're done and you could begin trading with ANZO Capital. Okay, so cheers, and I'll see you in another video.